today I am reviewing the Beauty of Joseon serums. They've got 3 of them, a calming serum, a repair serum, and a glow serum. So I thought I'd review them all together since they have some of the same characteristics. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. So finally got a chance to review them. It took me a while to test each of them, the full amount, and separately, and things like that. So finally get a chance to review them. And I'm happy to say all 3 of these serums are alcohol-free, no denatured drying types of alcohol. They're all fragrance-free, no scent. They're all made in Korea. They're all pretty easy to use. So let me start with the repair serum. Whoa! I'm going crazy! You know, I'm just excited because Yesstyle finally had some of the stuff I wanted to buy the other day. So anyway, so I'm all excited to go shopping. It's Memorial Day weekend, so everyone's got sales, which is like hard to resist, and how I'm really easy at talking myself into trying something, even if it's something I don't think I might like. But anyway, okay, so I'm very fired up. Okay, so the repair serum contains ginseng root water, 63%, which ginseng has hydrating properties, skin protecting properties, and skin conditioning properties, probably biggest in skin protecting properties. It also contains 3% snail mucin, which I love. Can't get enough of the stuff. Then it contains 2% niacinamide. Niacinamide is a great ingredient. It protects your skin barrier. It hydrates. It's anti-acne. Skin brightening. It's great for everything. Then we've got 2% adenosine, which is a cell communicating ingredient. Then we've got cocoa seed extract, which I think is in all 3 of these, which is a hydrating ingredient. And then 3 types of hyaluronic acid, because we don't see enough hyaluronic acid in enough products, I guess. I'm being sarcastic. I'm not very good at being sarcastic, am I? Anyway. So it's got some nice ingredients. It's very hydrating, so I prefer using this one in my evening routine just because it takes a few minutes to fully absorb, and then once it does, it sets to kind of a slightly natural radiant finish. Plays well with other products, so if you're looking to add ginseng into your routine, this one's a nice product. Their ginseng essence water is also really nice. I'm going through it really fast. I can tell I really like a product when I go through it super fast. So there we go. So it works very, very nice if you have skin that's dry, irritated, needs some soothing and hydration. This one's a good one for that. And then the price is around $11, although I think they have a trio set of all 3 of them. That's worth checking out. Okay, so let me get next onto their calming serum, which features 74% green tea water. Green tea is a good antioxidant and skin soothing ingredient. Then we've got Centella asiatica, which is in a lot of products. It's good for skin soothing, repairing, antioxidant. Helps with wound healing as well. We've got 2% panthenol, which is a good skin soothing and calming ingredient. We've got Chondrus crispus, which is, actually I see it once in a while, I think in like food products. I'm trying to remember. It was in some kind of chocolate bar or something. I remember it. I'm like, well, it's got to be good for me, so I can eat 10 of them, right? Because it's got something good. So Chondrus crispus is skin protecting and hydrating. We've got sugar cane, which is a hydrating ingredient. I'd much rather see sugar cane in something than sodium hyaluronic, personally, just because I see sodium hyaluronic in like everything. Then we've also got mugwort, which is hydrating and calming. A lot of people really find mugwort very effective in their routines. It's not the most exciting ingredient, but a lot of people have had really good luck with it, so nothing wrong with that. Then, of course, sodium hyaluronate, cocoa seed, and then propolis, which is hydrating. So this one's really nice. I find this one's great for skin. If you're dry or irritated, you can certainly use it in your morning routine or evening routine. This one soaks in a little bit faster. As you can tell, the repair serum is still soaking in, probably from that snail mucin. Meanwhile, the calming serum has fully soaked in. So, very nice product. Okay, and then the last one up is their glow serum, which is propolis and niacinamide. Ike is here. Come here, Ike. Ike wants to say hi. You gonna say hi? Hi, look at Ikey Pooh Bear. He's a baby. Here we go. I don't know why he came down, but he hasn't been around a lot lately, so Ike says hi. Okay, so this one is also really nice. So I'm going to put this on the other side of my hand where I didn't apply the calming serum. So propolis and niacinamide. Propolis is a really good antioxidant. It's really good for repairing skin. It also can be very good for acne-prone skin because it has some antibacterial type properties to it. So we've got 60% of that. Then we've got 2% niacinamide, anti-acne brightening ingredient. We've got neem extract, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. Neem extract is good for your skin. Neem oil is irritating. It's kind of funny how something that can be so good for one thing and then the other form of it and the oil form can be so irritating, but neem is certainly like that. Then we've got turmeric, which is a good antioxidant brightening ingredient. We've got basil, which is an antioxidant. Cocoa seed extract, good antioxidant. Tea tree extract is an antimicrobial anti-acne ingredient. Centella asiatica, antioxidant. Red algae, protecting. Tamanu seed oil, an antioxidant. And vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. So this one is also very hydrating and takes a little bit of time to soak in. So for me, I found I liked using this one also in my evening routine more so. This one is very good. It can really help if you have very acne-prone skin, breakouts, it's dull skin, need some brightening. It can help with that. This one's pretty friendly for acne-prone skin. Butylene, glycol, and vitamin E are the only ingredients of note. So there's really, in my opinion, one serum for everybody. I think most skin types could fit into at least one of these, if not more of these. But if you have very acne-prone skin, I'd go with the Glow Serum. If you have really dry skin, their Repair Serum is great. And if you have skin that is irritated, dry, dehydrated, the Calming Serum is really nice. If you have irritated skin, overdid it with some type of product, exfoliants, things like that, the Calming Serum is really nice, as well as the Repair Serum. They're all really nice. They all can fit into your routine. I think most people will have good luck with at least one of these, if not more than one. And they're all pretty friendly for acne-prone skin. The only ingredients of note are in the Calming Serum and the Glow Serum, which both contain vitamin E and butylene glycol, which isn't really that acne-genic, but some people might be more. And the Repair Serum is pretty friendly overall. So certainly worth checking out, especially at $11 each. They're a bargain. And one half of a pipette, I think that's what they're called, like a pipette. One half of them is enough to cover your entire face and neck, which makes it even more of a bargain. So for $11, I don't know, Olay's like, you can get like a 1 ounce Olay product at the drugstore for like $40, and these are like $11. I don't know, but lately it seems like drugstore products are like the more upscale, more expensive products. I don't know. I know at Target, if I put more than 3 skincare products in my cart and bring it to the checkout, I know it's going to be at least $100. I just know it. And then at K-Beauty, I can get like 10 things for $100. So, whatever. Anyway, so. Although, I always like to do the self-checkout at Target. I don't know. I feel like I'm doing something, the self-checkout, and then something happens, I am needing help, and then something happens, I need help again, and then it's like I'm the person in the line. Although I never bring a giant cart with me, although I always like to carry the little cart because I don't fill it up so much. Anyway, I'm totally going off on a tangent. But if I carry the little cart, I know I'm not going to buy like hundreds of dollars worth of stuff. Although I will overfill it, and then I will trip and fall, and the basket will break, and everything will end up everywhere. That never happened to me. Yeah, okay. It was embarrassing. You know what? I was wearing stupid Crocs, and every time I wear them, I fall. I trip on the rubber, and then I spill my entire cart of everything, and then it's embarrassing, and yeah. I guess I'm good at being embarrassing, so. Anyway, okay, so these are my thoughts. I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try any of these or all of these, or anything else from Beauty of Joseon and what your thoughts are, so leave a comment. I love hearing from you, and stay tuned for more shopping stories tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.